Can you teach me some dribbling?
Moves, okay. Pawa kay Mike!
Let's go, Jordan!
Okay.
Habang naglalaro kami, pumunta ka na ng reception, bumalik ka na.
Bakit ang reception? Hindi siya kakanta ron. Dito siya.
Lakas maka-bestman, ha? Lakas maka-bestman, tapos yung dessert, buko panda.
Sabi ni Mac, notch higher. Notch higher.
Okay.
Rico.
Binigay mo yung mic mo, tapos kukunin mo din ako.
Hindi niya naintindihan.
English, please.
You talk to him. I'm out of here.
Just play, my God. Just play.
Just show me some dribbling tricks.
Just play.
What do you call that? What do you call that trick?
In between.
In between. Oh, in between.
Baraha.
You're very good.
Susugal.
Iba
Okay.
yun.
Now I will show you, Tom.
How about
How do you do in between? How do you in between?
One leg is forward.
One leg is forward and the other one is backward. How about this? Is this a new?
This is all.
Yeah, and then you do it.
Oh.
Okay, I'll do it, man.
Oh, you do it. Let's go.
Can you hold this? Okay. Not the ball.
Okay.
Oh.
Galing ko sa in-between,
Parang macho ka.
Ibang in-between magaling yan eh.
I can't do the backward to the inward.
Okay. And then, push it to the other side. Yeah.
Yun!
Oh, balik mo. Yun. Uy, ang bilis matuto.
I thought I was supposed to dunk.
I'll teach you how to dribble.
And then I will teach you how to doggy, okay?
I'll teach you how to dribble. You also, Jordan.
Okay.
Oh, how? Oh, look at that.
Hey.
What do you call that?
I call this breakdance.
Galing, ano?
Napakadali lang nun. Hirap kang kumilos. Ang tanda mo lang.
Ikaw.
Sample.
Hindi ko makakala yung bola! Kasi bola!
Sa sobrang bilis, hindi nyo na napansin.
Ay, oo.
Sa sobrang bilis, kala mo steady lang yung bola.
Gumagalaw ba kanina?
Ganun kabilis.
Grabe, hindi namin napansin.
And that's a new, ha?
That's a new. Did you see that? That's a
Yeah,
new
what
technique.
else? What else?
What else?
What other dribble
dribbling.
tricks? What?
Oh, may ginaganon ka, oh. Ang bata.
Patalikod.
Kahit isang goal, kayang gawin yung ginawa mo.
Behind the back.
Kaya ganun-ganun ka pa sa akin. Akala mo, minamata mo yung buong pagkatao. Ganun-ganun lang pala ginawa.
Behind the back.
Can you do it again?
Oh, you watch. Yun, Patalikod.
Ko, nag-training ka sa NBA, yun ang natutunan. Nauna pa yung yabang bago yung skill. Ginanong pa ako.
Gaya mo daw.
What do you call that?
Behind the back.
Behind the
I
back.
can do that.
No, Bakit? Dribble only.
My muscle aches.
Let's see.
Oh.
Okay.
Is that you?
Gantihan lang, ganun.
Let's go, Toy daw.
Meron kang fans dito, ma. Dito, ma.
What do you call that?
That's the kaldat position. Kaldat position. But basketball is very hard. It's not for everyone, no?
You have to have a little talent.
What?
A little more
I
talent.
have a little talent, but I need to develop some more.
Training.